Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the tent getting ready to carve up a bear. Kind of like a bear on a stump or bear in a tree. We're going to leave this kind of tall. The plan is to create a table. So if you saw the thumbnail, it should be the finished piece. But hoping to carve a bear kind of on the tree. And we'll put a tabletop on it. Sure, stick around guys. Give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Let's start making some sawdust. All right, guys, that's going to be it. You excited to check out this piece? Listen, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Make sure YouTube notifications are on, all right? Here, let's take a look at this thing up nice, close, and personal. Listen, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. So the top is cherry. Did a quick sand. Got a finish on there. Some of the finish is still drying. We added this honeycomb. I didn't show carving it. It was kind of like an extra added piece I was doing. Carved up the bear though. That's all one piece. And I realized I thought I was carving a piece of catalpa wood, but I was actually carving a large piece of basswood. I forgot I got some basswood from my brother-in-law, and that's what the base ends up being, is a big piece of basswood, and then the top is cherry. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Listen, if you want to learn how to chainsaw carve, I got all kinds of tutorials on here. Very beginner kind of stuff, walking you guys through the basics, step-by-step kind of deal. You guys can also check out the links down below in the description. You can buy channel merch and support KyleHallWoodworker that way if you are interested. Thank you to all my members. Thank all you guys for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Check out some videos popping up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.